Finance example 17. Maya knows she will have $750,000 in her account when she retires. She wants to be able to take monthly withdrawals. Okay, it's already sounding like a payout annuity. And so it looks like this time we're given the principal. Gosh, it'd be nice to take out $750,000 every month. I just don't think that's reality for most of us. So N is 12 because she wants monthly withdrawals, and she wants to be that for 35 years. I mean, she wants to receive that for 35 years. Her account earns 8% interest. I don't know where they're coming up with some of these rates. It's pretty healthy. Okay, how much will she be able to withdraw each month? Okay, so this is going to be a little challenging, right? Because this time we have the $750,000 over here equals, and then we're looking for the amount of our withdrawal. And so we've got bracket 1 minus parentheses 1 plus 0.08 divided by 12. Close our parentheses. Raised to the negative 12 times 35th power, and we need to close that bracket. And we're dividing by 0.8, the quantity 0.8 divided by 12. So let's go ahead and put this, in the parentheses. So again, the easiest thing is to go ahead and figure out this amount on your calculator. That negative 12 times 35 should give us a negative 420. So yeah, once you figure this amount out, you can do 750,000 divided by, and then your previous answer, and then you should get $5,326.96. Okay, B, an alumnus of a university bequeaths $450,000 to the university, specifying that the money be used to give annual scholarships for the next 30 years. The university invests the money at a conservative interest rate of 4%. How much can they award in scholarships every year? So this alumnus is giving them this money, and the idea is that they could regularly withdraw a certain amount every year to give away scholarships. So that definitely sounds like our payout annuity. So the amount of money that they were given that will be drawing from the principal is $450,000. It's an annual scholarship, so our N is 1, our time is 30, and our rate is 4%, which written as a decimal is 400. So I'll pause this and put this in our formula. So in this case, since our N is 1, we don't have to divide by anything other than 1 in this portion and in this portion, which is going to make our computation a little bit easier. So as we have done before, let's go ahead and figure this out right here. Okay, and then we'll take our 450,000 and divide by whatever that answer was, and we will get $26,023.54.